The Special Investigation Team continued its probe at Ram Janmabhoomi Temple complex for the second consecutive day. The investigation is focused on alleged financial irregularities linked to donations received at the temple. The three-member SIT spent several hours at the Ram Mandir premises. Senior officials inspected different sections of the complex. The team examined documents, reviewed administrative procedures, and gathered information related to donation management. A high level of activity was seen at the temple during the visit. Security arrangements were tightened, officials, staff, members, and security personnel coordinated movement inside the complex. Vehicles were shifted and access points were monitored as the investigation continued. The SIT is headed by the Lucknow Divisional Commissioner Vijay Viswas Pant. Other members of the team were also present during the inspection. Officials held discussions with temple authorities and administrative staff. Several individuals connected with temple operations were questioned. The inquiry was launched after allegations of irregularities in the handling of donations surfaced. The Uttar Pradesh government constituted the SIT following concerns raised by the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust. The trust sought an impartial investigation to establish the facts. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from different locations within the temple complex. The footage is being examined to understand the movement and handling of donation collections. Officials also studied procedures related to the removal, storage, and counting of cash received from devotees. Sources said the SIT interacted with temple employees, volunteers, and officials associated with financial management. Records related to donations and administrative operations were also scrutinized. The team is attempting to verify the all established procedures were followed properly. The investigation has attracted widespread attention because of the importance of the Ram Mandir. The temple receives visitors and donations from devotees across the country. Any allegation concerning donation management is therefore being treated with seriousness by the authorities. Officials said the objective of the investigation is to ensure transparency and accountability. The SIT is examining every aspect of the case before reaching any conclusion. No official findings have been released so far. The team is expected to continue its work in Ayodhya over the coming days. Additional questioning and document verification may take place as the inquiry progresses. Authorities are also coordinating with local administration officials to collect further information. The state government has said the investigation is being conducted in a fair and impartial manner. Temple authorities have assured full cooperation with the SIT. Officials believe the inquiry will help clarify all issues related to the allegations. For now, the focus remains on gathering evidence and verifying records. The final findings of the SIT are expected to determine whether any irregularities occurred and what further action, if any, may be required. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.